Imagine you are given with 1, 2, and 5 rupees coins infinitely, but you have to make amount 11 to the merchant in minimum number of coins. That's the question for today, right? And you might say that easily we can take 5 rupee coins for 2 times and 1 rupee coin for 1 time and give 11 with minimum cost. That's the question for today where we're gonna solve this. Coin change. You are given array coins. These coins can be anything, not only 1, 2, and 5, which is in real life, it can be 1, 3, 20, 40, anything, right? Of different denominations and an integer amount representing a total amount of money. The total amount of money which you have to make. And return the fewest number of coins that you need to make up that amount, right? So we need to take the minimum number of coins and make that amount. If that amount of money cannot be made up by any combination of the coins, return -1. You may assume that you have infinite number of each kind of coin, as I said. Let us take the first example which was given for us, 1, 2, and 5, and the amount which we have to make is 11. Now, as I said already, you might go to 5 and say 11 by 5 will give us 2, right? And 5 into 2 is 10 and 11 minus 10 is 1. Now, 1 is the denominator, right? So 1 is the amount which is still left need that needs to be made, right? So I'll go to 2, but 2 is way more than which I am looking for. I'm just looking for one amount 1 which is remaining. Now I'll go to 1 and I'm using this 1 for 1 time and I have used this 5 for 2 times. So 1 plus 2 will return 3. Now, let's take another example, same like this, so that we'll get a clear understanding. 1, 6, and then 7, and then 11. Now, let us take amount as 13 and the coins as this 1, 3, 1, 6, 7, and then 11. Let us use the same approach again. Now, I'll take 11 for 1 time, this coin for 1 time, so that it doesn't exceed the required amount, which is 13, right? 11 to 22. If I take two 11s, I'll just exceed 13, right? So I'll take 11 for 1 time. So I am taking 11 for 1 time, right? Now, if I take 11 for 1 time, what is remaining? 13 minus 11, which is 2. But if you say I don't have 2 in my coins array, right? So let's go to 7. I am looking for 2, but I have 7. So I just skip it. I'm looking for 2. I go for 6, so I skip it. I'm looking for 2. I have 1. So 1 into 2 times, then I'll get 11 into 1 plus 1 into 2 will give us 30. But it's not the correct way or correct approach that we can make minimum. I know we can make with 3 coins, but if I say that 6 plus 7 will be 13, it's just 2 coins. Right? So how do I figure it out? Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you with the basic thing. To make 0, I need 0 coins. Now let's take the same example which was given to us firstly. Let us take 1, 2, and then 5, and the amount which we need at max is just 11, and the coins which we are given to us is 1, 2, and then 5, right? So, to make amount 0, I need just 0 coins. If I don't have any coins, I just need 0 coins to make 0, right? What if I have to make 1? What if I have to make 2? What if I have to make 3? What if I have to make 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11? Let us stop here and think for once. What if for 11 I have took 1? Coin 1. Coin 1 for 1 time. So that's coin 1 for 1 time. Now, what is the other thing which I have to do? 10. I can take 2 for 5 times, I can take 2 for 5 times, or I can take 5 for 2 times. I'm saying this. Coin 2 for 5 times, coin 5 for 2 times, which is minimum 2, right? So taking coin number 5 for 2 times, which will be minimum, so that 2 plus 1 will just be 3 coins to make 11. But how do I know minimum coins need needed to make 10 or 11 or even 1, 2 and all this? So that's what I'm gonna store and name it as DP, which is nothing but minimum number of coins needed to make dp of I. That's what dp of I stores. dp of I stores minimum number of coins needed to make I, sorry, right? To make I. So to make 10, which is nothing but dp of 10, will store minimum number of coins needed to make 10. I think it's clear for now. I'll tell you how I'm gonna take it. Now, I have one, right? What I did at 11, I just checked if I take one, what is the remaining which I can take. If I take two, I need nine. If I take five, I need six more. Six is remaining, right? So I'm just looking. If I take one, if I take two, if I take five, what is the remaining? That's all the coins which I am just iterating, right? I'll tell you. Now, what if I take one? So I am taking one, right? So one coin I am taking. That's the first scenario. Now, if I take coin number one, what is the remaining? I'll tell you. The amount I want to make is one. Let me just push this all aside so that you don't confuse, right? So I have amount one. I just took coin number one, right? So amount is 1 already. I just took coin number 1. Now what is remaining? 0. Now I'll check what is the minimum number of coins needed to make amount 0. It is 0 itself. So 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. So for this, I am assuming 1 is the answer. Now let me go to 2. What if I just took 2 as the previous coin, right? But it is not possible. Why? Because the amount itself which I want to make is 1. But the coin which I am taking, you don't give extra money or extra coins to get the amount, right? So if I am giving 2, it's just giving extra, right? So if I am taking 2, so it's just extra coin which I am taking, right? So I don't take 2 to make 1. 1 is much lesser than 2, right? So 1 is lesser than 2, so I don't take. The same thing with 5. Now, let us go to 2 here. Now comes the actual thing. So here I am taking coin number one. So I am taking coin number one. So I am taking one coin. Now, if I take coin number one, what will be remained actually? So if I take coin number one from two, if I take coin number one, the remaining amount will be one, right? So the remaining amount is 1. What is the minimum number of coins needed to make 1? It's 1 itself. So 1 plus 1 is 2. I'm just assuming 2 is the minimum number of coins made to 2, right? To make 2, right? So let me go to 2 here. Now, from 2, what if I take a coin or if I take a coin 2, then from value 2, the remaining will be 0, right? So what is the amount needed to make 0? It's just 0, right? So 1 plus 0 is 1, which is much lesser than, which is lesser than 2. So I'll update to make 2. I just need one coin, which is 2 itself, right? I think you got it. Now, let us go to 3. I'll just remove all this. Let's just move to 3. Now here I'll just take two coins. I'll tell you how. Now for 3, if I take coin number 1, 3 minus 1 will be 2. So I have took coin number 1. Now to make 2, I need only one coin. So the amount will be 2, right? Now, what if I take coin number 2? So if I take coin number 2, 3 minus 2, the remaining amount will be 1. So to make 1, I need just one coin. So 1 plus 1 is 2 again, no need to update. 5. Is it greater than, sorry, is it less than or equal to 3? No. So I don't even take that coin. So the minimum coins to make 3 is 2. Now let's go to 4, right? So to 4. Now here I'm just taking coin number 1, right? So 4 minus 1 will give us 3. So to make 3, I need two coins. So 1 plus 2 is 3. I'm just taking the answer, right? Now what if I take 2, right? If I take coin number 2, I'm just taking one coin. So 4 minus 2 is 2 again. So to make 2, I need just one coin. So 1 plus 1 is 2, which is lesser than 3. I'll just update. Now, do I take 5? No. Why? Because 4 is lesser than 5, right? So let me remove this and also this. Now I have 5. For 5, I take 1, coin number 1. So 1 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. To make 4, how many coins do I need? To make 4, I need 2 coins. 1 plus 2 will be 3. Now let us take coin number 2 here. So if I take coin number 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So to make 3, I need 2 coins. So 1 plus 2 is again 3. No need to change. Now there is another thing which is 5, which is less than or equal to 5. The amount which I want to make is 5. Now, if I take coin number 5 for one time, what is the remaining amount? 5 minus 5, which is 0. So to make 0, I just need 0 coins. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So it is not 3 which makes 5. It is just 1 coin which is already there. Right? Now, let us go to 6 and then I'll just go again and again so that you can just forward or just play this in 2x speed so that you can easily understand this. Now, so for 6, I just take coin number 1. 1 plus what is the remaining coins to make the remaining amount. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. So to make 5, I just need one coin. Right, 1 plus 1 is 2. I'll just update it here. Now, I can take 2, right? So I can take coin number 2 for one time and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. How many coins do I need to make 4? 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Here comes the first thing. If it is getting by taking 2 as the coin, I am getting 3 as the answer, which is more, which is giving more coins. So I don't update. I update only if it is minimum, right? I think you got it. Now, the main thing which I did here, dp of I, I'll just update it with minimum of, which is already there. If it is there, dp of I here, 3, and I'm just iterating through every coin in coins, right? Every coin in coins, right? 1 and then 2 and then 5. Now, what I did at 6, what I did, I just took 2 for one time or 1 for one time. So 1 plus dp of what did I check? I checked 4. dp of 4, which is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and I took like that. For 5, I just looked at 5 minus 1, 4. dp of 4 again. So dp of I minus coin, right? I minus coin. I did it again and again. I minus coin. I minus coin. dp of I minus coin is what I added with 1, right? I think you got it. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. So for I is equal to 1 till I is less than or equal to amount I plus plus. I'm just updating for 1 to 11, right? Right? For every coin, I'll just take coins, right? Now, what I'll do is, first thing, if the coin is greater than the amount which I need, nothing but the I, if coin is greater than I, then I don't go with that coin. So the first thing is coin should be less than or equal to I. And there is another problem, which is the previous one, which I am checking for 4, or it might be 3, or it might be 2. It should have, it can be made with some coins. So I will initialize all the DP array with infinity, nothing but int max. Now, if I can't make 4, here I have 6, right? If I can't make 4, then how can I take a coin number 2 and add this infinity? So it is already there that 4, you can't make 4 for now. So how can I take coin number 2 and the remaining is 4? So I'll just figure out what is the minimum number of coins to make 4. No, it is not possible. It is clear that if it is infinity, we cannot make that amount or I. So I need to make sure that dp of I minus coin is not equal to max, int max. So if it is the condition, then I'll just update dp of I is equal to minimum of dp of I, comma 1 plus dp of I minus coin. So this is how you solve this problem. And there is another case, we will return only if dp of amount is equal to int max. That means we cannot make it. So I'll just return -1. If not, I'll just return dp of amount. I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.